this young man.
Without you, I am nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
You got replaced just like me!
No! I'm nothing like you!
Really, you don't think it's because you're rich and famous and can afford fancy lawyers and I'm nothing?
I'm not a spy. I'm nothing. I'm naval lint.
Please, this is all I have. I'm nothing without this suit.
If you're nothing without this suit, then you shouldn't have it, okay?
She saved me my whole life. Without her, I'm nothing.
That is not true. You are the queen.
Without my armor, I am nothing.
But can't you make new armor?
Maui, you have to restore the heart.
Without my hook, I am nothing.
That's not true.
Without my hook, I am nothing.
Because other people are just as important as me. Without them, I'm nothing.
Tell me what you have that I don't. Nothing. I'm nothing.
What's going on with you? You a salesman or?
No, I'm nothing.
You want to know who I am, Natalie? Then you look inside your own heart.
No, Madison. I'm nothing like you.
Mum and Dad told us I was the oldest, so I had something. But really, you're the oldest, and I'm nothing. No! Mopsy, don't go!
The truth is that I'm not a doctor, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not an airline pilot. I'm nothing really.